How to see someone's My Eyes only without password on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to see someone's My Eyes only without password on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. First, update Snapchat from your device App Store or Play Store. Then open a Snapchat and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on the gallery icon at bottom left to open memories. You can easily swipe at top and select My Eyes only. So you can tap the options button at bottom right and then select forget passcode, not change passcode. And here you need to enter your Snapchat account password and tap on the next button. So Snapchat will warn you that resetting the passcode will delete everything in My Eyes only. If you are okay with that, then you can create a new passcode and access My Eyes only. But remember, your previous content will be lost. So you need to know that you are not able to see someone's My Eyes only without password. Even if you change it, all the content will be deleted. So this is the privacy settings of Snapchat. You need to be careful about that. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.